Okay, so I got the little SBR out here. It's just a 22. I got some cheap, I think it was Winchester. I bought a big brick of it, 800 something rounds years ago, and I'm still shooting it through it. I'm going to be going for the prairie dog at 100 yards. I got the camera on it. Let's see if I can hit it at all. Oh, had a misfire. Oh no, I'm out. Oh no, it was a bad round. Scope's not powerful enough to tell if I actually hit it. I'm going to try for the 8-inch. I'm going to reset the camera, put some more ammo in it, and see what it does. Okay, got 10 more rounds. Put my hearing protection on. Okay, let's see if I can make any light. Hit high. No. No. Got a hit. Hit it again. And that's it. Okay, I'm going to reset the camera to a target that's a lot closer, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm going to be just shooting at this little spinner. It's at about 45 yards. I'm going to go for the bigger half, the bottom. Okay, that was a bad round. As you can see, this thing just isn't that accurate. It only has like a 6 1/4 inch barrel. The rest of this is all this phony stuff. I'm gonna put 6 more rounds in, or 10 more rounds of a different type of ammo, and we'll give that a try. Okay, so I got 10 rounds of the Aguila Subsonic. Hopefully it functions. It usually functions okay in this gun, but we'll see. And yep. Last round kind of jammed on the way out. Again, I think it's not getting the hammer back far enough, because I didn't feel a trigger pull. Let's see. See, no trigger pull. So it's enough to eject and even reload, but it's just not quite locking that trigger back. It's a little on the weak side. And again. Where am I? Right here. So I got like 5 more rounds. And this Aguila, it's more gummy. shoot the last of this stuff up, and then I'll try some more standard velocity to high powered. Looks like it's hitting high. I missed that one. I'll pick it up here in a second. Yeah. Okay, that was the last one. Get the one off the ground that I ejected and didn't catch. And then the last three actually worked. Okay, I'm going to try some of the browning. It's 40 grain, but it has a rated velocity of 1435, I think. And this obviously is not going to make it that high, but it should be pretty powerful. Okay, so the browning performance rimfire. It functions, it just can't really tell where I'm hitting. The scope is too small. So, it's not bad. I'm going to try some of the crappy stuff again. Okay, so I got 10 rounds of that. I think it was Winchester. Bought it, I don't know, 5-6 years ago. Back when ammo was hard to get a hold of. And it's okay, but yeah, this gun just really isn't good for distance. It's just all over the place. I first bought it was the pistol, of course, and tried rabbit hunting with it, but didn't have the stock on it at the time. And that was really hard to hit anything, so I did the Form 1 and converted it to SBR. Still was having trouble. So I just bought the longer barrel version, which is a little bit better, but and this one's more of just a range toy now. It's just play around. My niece used to love shooting it when she was small because it's so light. It's all plastic. Alright, thanks for watching.